Alright guys, so we're going to be removing the back bumper today because you can see mine's all damaged. Easiest way to start is obviously to take this off the side marker light. It'll be two little Phillip head screws. Once you pop those off, you're just going to pop off the light right about there. And then underneath the car there'll be some 14 millimeters on both sides, but you're going to work in the wheel well next. And those are right, you can see all of them. There's one right there. I can't really point to it. I'll edit it in. One right there, and right up there. So once you get that off, that's going to basically be the liner right here and here. Then obviously you got to pop off the top one that's right here. And there's another one right down there. I'll show you that real quick. It is right here. Alright, once you pop that off, I'll show you guys what to do next. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car. These are the 14s that I was telling you about right here. There's one way up there. I'll put an arrow to it if I can't get my finger. And then another one up there, I'll put a little arrow to it. So whenever you get in these inside bolts, which are these ones right here, but I snapped 2 of them. Well, I broke quite a few of them. But the one thing you guys have to keep in mind if you've never took this off is this harness, which is the one from side marker lights. And it's actually clipped inside your bumper right here with these things. So what I did, because I could not get that connector apart. I'll show you how it pops apart though. So you can see, you squeeze this little tab right here, and then it releases right here, but I couldn't get mine to release high enough to pull off, or it was just stuck. So I just basically, all these little clips, I just pulled the little wire out that it runs along, and it runs along all the way to their side marker light, and I just pulled it out, and then I popped the bumper off because it was simpler than trying to get that off and breaking it probably. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Catch you guys next time.